0 ewo group B ni mu a na sese na hihye ni sikwae no Hazakes entimi enya a winning start in the same group. AS Guard Nationale Nigerian womo enso ne Edo Queens of Nigeria na hia Edo Queens win here by 5-0 into wo hwe na Edo Queens for ne bedikan ewo ye ne group nim na afei so ade a Hazakes ene Omnisport Entisail enso asoso a wo mu hina no ewo 1 point each yanko. Coach Onujinem Edema Hazakes Emmanuel Mensah wedi nkomo enso dia fa draw munyaye against Entisail. Emmanuel Mensah nkomo no o kire mu se ne kwan a Hazakes entimi ending kunim eno nyomo hu ye enso ewo game nim yenko ne yenko tie Emmanuel Mensah, standing coach for Hazakes ladies.
A lot of changes in our plan, but I would say that the 0-0 for Hazakes standard for me, it's not the best because we've once been to this tournament before, we've been champions before, and so the expectations were very high. But looking at how our opponents played, I think that it was a fair result. They had even more chances than us. They were doing a lot of counter-attacks, and that really helped them. So for me, we played a very tactically disciplined side, and very disappointed with 0-0, but per how the game went, I'm okay.
And Emmanuel Mensah speaking all the way from the Stade de la Paix, and so Ivory Coast and the CAF Women's Champions League qualifiers for Wafu Zombi. Ekoswa Hazakes wamo ejina Ghana name na yemfri oni yanko to another Ghanaian club or representing Africa. We know the men's CAF Champions League na enshani se ne siete Samates neje the Ghana Premier League last season and so edisi na so neno ana wa start ya hobani na se obebo in the CAF Champions League nim na obebo ewo Cameroon against AS Victoria na enshano Samates Enra Wamo ebo a friendly game against the Togolese champions Asco de Cara game no omo ball 90 minutes ni we no na akowie tipenkua obia entimi anshebi Asco de Cara 0 Samatas FC 1996 0 sana game no enso kowie ya we no ye preparatory game ahead of Samatas omo first ever CAF Champions League campaign. After the game Coach Ochinem Edema Samates Nuruddin Amadou coach Edin Komo said the ohwe game nim no ohun say they defensively nyoma no ekoye de man offensively they need to change a lot of things kakra nemom wachirem de ohun wo game nim no ebeboa mo no wetimi esi ejina e de afa players a odi omo ebeko Africa akobo Champions League no
say I try match my international friend let me say so your first time ball outside Ghana until here next week here Victoria United and it's a good exercise a lot of positives and negatives and going forward let's say to correct your mistakes and the mentality was that we should score and we shouldn't concede. Unfortunately he had to match but he conceded, which is positive and going forward the players now more character. Football is fighting spirit. The fighting spirit, no matter how good you are, if you don't make effort, talent alone will not work.
And here coach Nuruddin Amadou come on to the after says Samates or money Asco de Cara elbow goalless or Chema. Players are more fighting spirit or more character and audio more Eko Cameroon Akobo in the first leg of Omo qualifier for the main edition of a CAF Champions League. Yemfrio na yenko nsemfu from still on this game idea former Medium FC or defender Kofi Asma and Ronuj Nemesi Akan and so Edema Asco de Cara nese we no obeshia ni nua Ebenezer Okran osi Akan de Masamatesa Ghana for me two different clubs in two different countries no mushia ya omoso etimi etwamfo ni kama ema ahomka enso ebemu yemfro ne embra yemmehwe nsemfu from dia nese ye call all the way to the camp of Accra folk Enra ana bese manche homo charity cup no dia eno so etimi call so na ye Hearts of Folk wo mone Pangdo Heart of Lions ne shia ya game ne shia na pepepe in the early stages be third minute no ana Kojo Obin Jr. former Hearts of Folk striker will no take first goal and so Edema Pando Heart of Lions has Betty Omokano in the closing stages of the game. Mohamed Hussein ana Obobo needed to from a rebound na free kick ana Brantiano and so enya rebound effect na wotimi e convert here unti after 90 minutes game ne be 0-0 na no ana the penalty shootout so Pando Heart of Lions wo mo essay wo mo 7th penalty and a has and so converted 8-1 na eboye Emma Hasselfolk wamo etimi ye 8-7 on penalties eboa manyoma and so etimi ekonkan enti after the game ada na enije ana ewo stadium ho na momi yanhwe abra One more trophy presentation as a best player of the game. No, a call Edema Kwabena Boateng and 24, and so then a basketball there, and so the man we know a new player what joining House of Folk and a Kelvin Osesibe and so by a captain and they best say manche were presented trophy no and so the shining same Emma Bibia and so Timiko Yenti near Ibonte on the best manche one a House of Folk board member a Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo no the trophy nema a Kelvin Osesibe were betch demu and on the team ni na kabo mu a wo mo enso etime gye o mani kama say House of Folk enso etime win the trophy a emanioma enso konkan enso edi amom na after the game coach ochinem Edema Has coach Abubakar Watara wedding komo say he's very proud say Has etime age homo wo charity cup no.
I'm proud because of the fans of this big family who is House of Folk family. I'm proud because the last season, all these people suffer, and after, I think this trophy is just the beginning of the league. And maybe you can see new Lucas of Folk in the league.
And Tiano, your coach Abubakar Watara Wajidi said, "We no beboa." Emma League no metimi ahase na nyoma konkan na watch him say board no say Enra Ankoya nyanti ase say new players aba no o makwa akoye say omo ye raw talent o so de nyoma ba ko mienu miense bi e ka omo ho netimi page omo into wo show bi abo say we no omo start training in chair o mehiam rekakra by the time season e be sha say de or you hopeful say nyoma be so betimi akoye e de ama House of Folk.
These boys have already the talents. Now we want to perform. Give them some work at the physical side and the psychological side to get the team. It's not easy, but the talent is there. It's like diamond. When we take the diamond, you polish him before you sell it. I don't have any pressure for that. I know we can do.
Enti Diamond dealer no coach Abubakar Watara nkomo de atudwa enso area for Has team no ho nene yeso ye de atudwa area ma enda anope na yemfiri oni enko still on the game dia a sad development by ni na say House of Folk titani ba ko no kokohwe game ni bi dia fofi antoata na unfortunate incident to collapse here after say Has concede na omo rushing to the hospital yes owuo ekradia enkwa entmenje inti abrante no wejemu and they on kati asefo hu bi o munchemu no ana Elvis Hemanese where Has NCC wo mo chairman wachechem ekwan a efa so a sa atore nchemi so ebae yentie no
na sa around the 37th minute no and yet didi se ye support about ko se we free up nti no omo dini na me call hospital no na be supporters leaders and omo dey page and dey call hospital nti nyina na nka ye twen se ye beti asem papa e dey free collapse na e ba no mo. Unfortunately me anka say ye poor match na e o say me ye fast na me ko adwuma enwumre and on my way no and me nya information say anyi nti we lost our supporter.
Enti die efrimo enso eba no a we no ye ma ebusuani na ya akoye to aso na ye rem wonsem fufuro mu a hyene nso ade a na wotwe ye wie ye ana omobebie the new TNA stadium na no officially game back when eba so enso Asante Kotoko wo mo ne Mediema omo ye home team no ana omo ton sade Africa Kotoko no omo de ahyehyɛ so efie de ya ana game no enso eba so emu nkomo no ade a emu ahomka wo papa na the MC for Takwansoye municipality Honorable Benjamin Kese, former administrative manager, former management member for Mediema. Watch him akasa area for new TNA stadium. They say wamo as an assembly area or my crado say wamo be manage facility no mahwe ama etimi ejina naso for the years to come. Yenti Honorable Benjamin Kese.
Us as assembly representing the people of Takwansoye, we have put together a nice management plan. In fact, we didn't do it alone. We invited the media and anybody who has something to do with sports. And we collated every view on board, and now we have put together a nice management plan. Discussed, shared with Go Force Foundation, and they were so enthused to see that we have submitted finally to them, and then we're hoping that it is handed over to us, and then we go according to the management plan. We are ready for it, especially for maintenance. We're ready for it because we've seen it. We've seen instances where this state institution called Sports Authority has run bad all these facilities. The Sipon Sports Stadium is a huge investment. If you go there today, you will cry. So the evidence abound that they are not capable of managing, especially state-of-the-art facilities like what we have here.
Any Honorable Benjamin Kessing, Commander Kitchen, Yaba full-timer, Yadbetuja, and so Eddie Amayanko to the Enquad Ashanti Regional Intertribal Football Tournament, Enquad Global, Wamuna and they almost sponsor Endra, Ayadiana Homka, Papa Weno. Hausa for the nation guy for the Shia. There's a game, the name was Papa after the game. A quiet 1-1. Neno and the penalties share Sheswa. Hausa for a winning penalties and they were qualified from the round of 16. And so Eddie Omonim and the game back over Betuja and no Dagomba. Womane Asante for the Moma a video no 9% and Yoma and Sune Sitia. There's a stadium where Wabu Middle Park. There's a Aye Heja Hetu. A region Kwana Hausa for no Muamua. Nina Nessa Wometimia qualifier. Omo and so Edeko Menim na. Weno, Yanfesen and Yoma Besia Kona, a player be no woko to Koli, Sedusana, your friend under 20 camp now, no Squacoca, the Black Salais or Mutim no Namanyoma, and so Etimi Akonka. Into Mama end the game no, Dagomba. And Asante 4 p.m. And so ewo the Abuabu Modelbi Park 4 p.m. and a game na Baso Dagomba and so any Asantis and Asia ewo the Enquad Global Ashanti Regional Intertribal Football Tournament. Did you also a donation back and Sebi about full-timer the Enchemuno and so bro. Now is the time. Let's get ready. And I can
yes, now where dear?
Nyamia to be I come and elsewhere. Samia me who say when you are
weekend the start
exactly season neighbor.
I said Madrid Bubble Super Cup midweek.
Yeah, midweek on Atlanta.
One gamper.
Yeah.
Now from Friday come about for ball.
But one Arsenal, the Arsenal Jomo trophy. My Bebo Friday. My Arsenal Jomo trophy.
Oh yeah, and I said the Emirates Cup.
That's all Bobo one.
Oh
yes, sir. Arsenal for no money on you.
Okay. Oh. Yes, I'm because we
Madden.
We I won't Preseason because and then man down open our mass at 2026.
Saturday.
No.
Weekend. It was well.
So say we came one.
Now that Chelsea for the money, sir.
Say
I don't know when you sir.
Some catch you say yes, yen Casabim. Yeah, actions. Actions. Hey, yen Casabim.
What a moment munya no.
Mamo.
Mokasa. Me Chelsea fan, but muye de do. Munya botre. I didn't
win Champions League last season. Name we all day. This is the same because you knew what to go near
Chelsea need Champions League name munya de.
Now him.
Chelsea need Champions League.
And I joke what to go near so much Chelsea. More dead. Anyone in my baby.
Yes, dear, no, more baby, or come so mama, dear,
mama be a washing. And I don't want his son.
You're so takra. I let her wife here. A dominant son, you're so takra. One year for pay over Kawabache.
Massa Wunya Bema. Wunya Bema,
Obina or 2 years. I have a young fashion. I have a young fashion. Do I ever know Castle?
So you're coming on it. Now you're throwing in some for an Monday morning. My main fan to him said, Jumedian fans Olympic Games. No, we amateur so much medals Ghana for your corner supplying and Saban and supplying as a say no. My main friend to him says you are some no. Almost annually D I am at table. No, Casa, you are some no. Almost so far and your medals. Lema Kumako. I had yes, 80 when I have 40 gold medals. Now 40 gold medals. So many are silver and also 44 and a bronze. I have 42. Okan in the Boma. I have 126 medals in total. And I just say you are so fair, no. And some Eddie coffee our brand wache wo ko China so nya gold medal Emma 40 omanya silver no 27 and a bronze so 24 na just in total nyina no and some 91 medals and a just omanya ye fan say China and so nya ye and for Japan for no to so me no wo so nya 45 medals in total 20 gold 12 and some silver and 13 and some bronze and city our brand nyina no wo hwe be and some our Sompa TV and watch wo monitor be our Facebook no so na fa make house and ye fan say radio no so nyina no and some juma na onim say discuss and some catch on now say omu game was say no and some about our near kind of basketball and no IHS all US and France affair onim say a man dia no my men friend to say a man e France a man no and some gold medal our man basketball and watch remember na from no and man no so twa a team and some France am German second no and some other say we 98-87 am just US of team a team no woman some aje na adeba kono say catch us at a big three and some Kevin Durant and what you know or for Steph Curry and some account and send LBJ or no and so LeBron James and so count na mami or for Steph Curry highlight in the masa adia dia unimi ya na unimi ya and cheer pie for century and some our court no so na no masa koi and some managers was still show and man you man now come at my team and some US of and they woman gold medal our promo branding no na just some of the pressure and some other two team no some we na just a post match across no or fan Steve Kerr no and some money akwadana fan Steph Curry me no and some other by massa basketball and more to her or to sell your messy time and messy one form bra what football now by the problem me and say see you na just a more coming you know gonna be and a branch of Steph Curry no and some other opponent no and some France team and our coach and say so only you may cross behind the scenes our brother training and I say be practices and Kwadana you're from LeBron and what you Kevin Durant and Afe Steph Curry more no wonder Sunday woman some aju gold medal and the man shoes I'm an yencho coach you're from Steve Kerr.
Every day, the work ethic, and I tell people all the time, when Kevin was with our team, my favorite part of practice with the Warriors was after practice, watching these two work. And it's not an accident that they're able to do what they do down the stretch of games. The work, just watching these two guys day after day after day is really impressive. I've talked about LeBron during this experience as well. Just when you see these.
Yes, and no, I coach fan says Steve Kerr out chess one no born in Kwadana Baso Arches and and so I update about one some ya Emma ya for and pay I was shown so my men fan to him Monday now the tennis room I was Jumedia fan say one Gampa and Barcelona Omni Bobakua ya fan said Monaco almost game the Eba so much and some game as a tone and so Adiama Barca and one Gampa no at 6 o'clock and then a match in Ebaso. Na game about so report to me nyan say o fan say Robert Lewandowski answer who drew aya Barca Arabiano woman captains aya Makuma Kufo na just a main captain I want a deputy ho and mpaba so nipa me no mo ka won nyina no woman some selected ya me nyan say Robert Lewandowski and some abaya fourth captain this season adiama Barca na just a captains in here mebeka ne maybe a trap set testigan one abaya captain aya na deputy aya Ronald Araujo, Ebiam, I Frankie de Jong, Anna Fora, Yafano Lewandowski, and no, I said your captains, Emma Kumakufono, and no some Nabasiako season way, and some Adiama Bansa, Sika, someone to Messina, woman to me register Quadana, Yafano Danny Olmo, Unimso Olma Ba, Namu Wabra was a Bassa yet as a due diligence Lafe, woman some register Bueno, our Liga, so Ebessine, registration and course, and Untina Quadana, Yafano said Nico Williams said, and some Aquabi Biosa, some no Casano Peno, Bibia Jabas, Suni Pebi or no, Abacacho Sebia Quadano, and Omo Kenny Biawa, Canino, and some Casam, our registration says something to know. One some I was from Betimia, Nana Casa Oko Bonsa, report to me, and the same. Emantiano, Mako 4. Woman some attach a uncertain. Natural someone, a bet me about Swamo Beko, a bet me about Swamo Beste, or your place, Mako 4. Now, phone I have Ferran Torres, and what you Frankie de Jong, or Refan say, Kai Guntuan, and a Rafinha, and some Akao. I might report to me as a boss of Fono, woman catch out Corona Fans Ansu Fati, agent and a Sabino, a Omumpetim, a Manopino Pra. You didn't do a barrel confine one Sababo born, Bossa Fana communicate truly agent and a Sakotano, one car or more plans so I know, and some I season and the Jimmy and Nino, Uncle Petim Arches, I know, and some I update to Abba remodeled Bobocono, woman some other so prepare Omutronina, and August will cost Nano Saturday. Maybe can be extra. Only said Yamin so far. Yes, managers and Ese wo hwe ayadesa kwada na fa se impapa training na oye and said yes kwano nyina no omani ya je ho pa na me kan last week ni say manager for se Ancelotti ade akoto twasa wo mo ball aye Champions League final and some aje title su omo na so no omo ana wan hwe nyame yad ma midweek mu no wo mo some na start game against Atalanta na mom de Urban se betimi abasa bia player ye for se Mbappe and some other striker Arda Gulash ebe ko nifa so na branta wan se Vinicius no and some afa ayo benkumwemo and some abetimi ayo front three e dia ma bobo kwafan sa Real Madrid omo game no and some ababa so achese nyina no ayo various ayo scenarios manager Ancelotti and some checking up afei owura ba ko no ayo director ma Marsa yakasa Marsa omo ayo ko akrata ba ko wo mo some awo spend owura no one na yo mo director o say one wato na ba we ayo Ballon d'Or na FIFA best adia no wase wato and some adiama Dani Kafaya and say my best stories adia chose amanfo bi and some na wagidie say what the area Vinicius compare Dani Kafaya so mo nyina kan na mo je Champions League wo mo nyina kan na mo je La Liga and what on top no Kafaya kwakwaya juma and some amateur so ma euros adia ba and what Vinicius our jumedia ye fan sanam Copa America and koye enti said your more company sa kwatana ye fan Vinicius and Ballon d'Or and I said be a FIFA best any adini nyina no one agiri ba se Dani Kafaya no and some asafata and update aba won sem nyina no ye de ema ye for Arsenal team no wom age jumedia fans Emirates Cup no and some ade so mo now so now just the last 3 seasons Arabia Arsenal and some age omutwa Lyon team no na Jaminya no sem Wabio Kobasa, Wamus Ache Leon, Emma Chessa Leon, Elusu Sagam and Watu, Adiama de Guinness Ninano, Wamuma Kwanane Farsa Ricardo, Aye Calafiori, Ebemeki Cameo, and one and J and one supporters Somo, and some our stadium airport and so Emma Chessanema, Aye Frame, Edema Cotana, Yefansa Calafiori, and Wano, Aye Abranta Wansa William Saliba, one of Gabriel Magalaish, Omumiana Chessanra, Wamusubo 2 goals, Emma Timono, manager Farsa Mikala Tate. Was say a Motoba born Enro against Leono Nani answer after the game coach I found some Mikel Ekasai.
Preseason, a really good test today again. I think overall has been a really positive preseason with the tour that the club and a lot of people put a lot of effort to make it work, and I think it was a success again. And then the 2 games that we have played here as well, really competitive and really good. I think the team was.
Yes, and I am manager fans are Tata American but to just say Arsenal former Preseason matches some born in Nano, one more ball a game area irrespective of a result and no ever so be losing some of draw or some more penalties and before the game. One make cast penalties ever cost no some no yes one more cast penalties behind Yamaso, one more travel presentation and one more presentation about so come no casino Jamie a player na your father said Kingsley Coleman our Bamunchin Arsenal April boy on loan. Yes, a boy on some on your Arsenal or Banamum, what guarantees so on bar. One more Abamania Bonibia Bo Amano Casano, I Kingsley Coleman and so Jaffe, yes, shifty and gear at the Ako I am for the Enra and a manager fans and a slot also game and some more am for the Barcelona Timino, woman Sevilla out by Liverpool Massa, Medica Becao, Messe Bona and a slot, I'm a Liverpool Abono. almost a club abena juma kodie na so bona efa park CA na Liverpool drew 18 mo na Chelsea Liverpool abahadwen enra ayo Diogo Jota Luis Diaz enra one about 2 goals our first half no mo ana akwada na mebeka na asem emebi atwam say your fan said Trey Morris Inyoni eno ayo Trey Inyoni akwada no enso ngara ba akwa so ama Chelsea Jean Piqué one other take Carvajal kuma Sevilla team after the game manager fans and a slot as a still and you may be a one more Liverpool team and some improve manager your fans a slot and so kakra
important week and important year to come. We have to improve day by day, and I think we showed today in both games a lot of good things, but I can make a big list also of things that we have to improve, which is completely normal. Some of them with the certain new ideas we have only been with this for a week.
Yes, and also a Liverpool coach. I don't know, Jaminian say you do say about started day one now, Chelsea Liverpool. Womunya Korana fans Martin Subimendia. Report to Minian ran Raffenbeck and some bet me about started game as number 6 and so Adiama Bobokua. Your fans say Liverpool our branding in an eye update and also few Amasua de Benano Peno. You don't send in Adema and Inter Milan Timono and some our way to run a Boko and some Inter Emma Kodana, your fan say Leslie Ugochuku, one of some North bench and a Baba restore parity. And after the game, coach and fan say Enzo Maresca and so say a new man so far our Preseason in once again. One more criteria says 6 and I said 7 chances. I say okay, I was so much
7 clear chances. Very happy because I can see that the team is improving on the ball and off the ball. Once again today we create, 6, 7 clear chances. We just score 1. At the end it's important to create chances and then for sure we're going to score more. And then off the ball I think unless the goal we concede that we did.
Yes, I know I can't free manager and I swear to Bameno Casarcotana. Your fan is Joao Felix and the second coming to Chelsea. Eguswa Elkoswa agent Jorge Mendes. Oh no. And a day Petroneto about London Enra and the agent no that's who London Emma Neto about Stamford Bridge and no mudi Ayashua Felix on come and I don't pay do no baku krenua about me of Conor Gallagher about saying Emma Atletico Meno Casa Julian Alvarez area the medical no what also ever saying Eddie Amatum there was a man doing a fixable I don't think I'm more South and fan says Jono and saying Edema Bobo fan said Chelsea and I problem say I was German and so Mami no Zaima Zrawi on the Dinkau airport and our train Matthias Delita Bino Sky and Central Kobisa so Bamanos Massa Masrawi cameo more ban on Mama Manchester White Domasa why you wired dead as the same and some managers some more flat where I had them on that ball a year one more time Germany time about 5:15 not Ghana time how much 3:15 and somebody did 2 hours into our da one sorry I would tune crom on a friend of boys no and some and I'm cramu Manchester I updated by
early morning what
early morning I PS I know
omodian there just say near ebo ebo 7 crown exactly
and my chrome ya dey
different from near there no and the more sa economy no mutimi running a 24-hour economy anyway so beautiful but them there samu omorodi on there
omorodi empire bogu no so empire ketwa
shadak momi yanko